Let's get into our top story this morning, and a big one, no doubt, for the day. Suspended ANC Secretary-General Ace Magashule's application to have the corruption charges against him withdrawn will be heard in the Bloemfontein High Court today. Magashule and 15 co-accused are facing fraud, corruption and money laundering charges relating to the alleged irregular awarding of a 255 million rand asbestos roof removal contract. He claims that the case is politically motivated. For more on the story, let's cross to Bloemfontein. Palesa Moeti is working on the story today. Palesa, good morning to you. Let's start off by getting some expectations of what will take place in the courtroom today.
Well, good morning, Leanne. We are coming to you from outside the High Court here in Bloemfontein. That is where I will be situated and some of my colleagues. But there will be obviously our colleagues that will be inside the courtroom. But what I can tell you from what is outside at the moment is that there's a barbed wire, just obviously keeping us a distance away from the actual court building. This has been the scene from the very first court appearance, just to make sure that security is extremely tightened here. From the beginning of this case, we've seen heightened security. We've seen in the beginning lots of supporters of the suspended SG of the ANC coming here to make sure that they come and show their support to him. We don't know whether that will be the case, but that seems to have subsided quite a bit. With every court appearance, we see less and less of these supporters coming through. The first appearance was very fiery, I must say. Supporters, expressing very strong emotions in support of him, believing that this is actually a politically motivated case. In the last appearance, we saw members of the DA that were here. Obviously, the DA was the whistleblowers in this matter. They saying they came here to come and make sure that justice is indeed carried out. We've also seen in the past people that were supposed to have been the beneficiaries of this asbestos roof replacement project. They were supposed to have their roofs actually replaced, and they came here to also come and see what exactly is happening in court, because they feel that their lives have been disadvantaged because they've had to live under these asbestos roofs, which they say that are dangerous to their health. A lot of them say that they've fallen sick because of these asbestos roofs. They've developed lung illnesses, various types of lung illnesses. So, those are the type of scenes that we've seen in the past. At this point, it's still relatively quiet. As the morning progresses, we'll see whether supporters will be coming through. We saw MKMV members come through with the last appearance. We'll see if they will come through again this time around. So it's just expectations around what exactly will happen outside as the morning progresses. Leanne?
Right. Palesa, thanks very, very much. Thanks for giving us a preview of the event. We'll cross to Palesa again as we start seeing things develop even further there outside the court in Bloemfontein.